Hey everybody, Coach Clint here. The Ripstick, fantastic device for keeping yourself in shape. Here's a picture of one right here. Selling like hotcakes, fantastic device. Its predecessor, the original, the Ripsticks. Here's a picture of that right here. Both of them still on the market. I think the Ripstick goes for like 67 bucks. The Ripsticks goes for 60 bucks. I'm gonna put links in the description for both of them in the description. So if you wanna get your own, you can get your own. I thought, can I make a device like that for, I don't know, 10 bucks? So I did. And so if you want to learn how to make one of those for 10 bucks, there's going to be a thumbnail at the end of this video. You click on the thumbnail, it'll take you to the video, and it'll show you how to make your own do-it-yourself Ripsticks for 10 bucks. So what I'm going to show you right now is a tricep workout. It's the last in the series. Quick tricep workout that you can do with your do-it-yourself Ripstick. So first what we're going to do is simulate tricep extensions. So what I want you to do is hold your device at about a 45-degree angle from the ground, and you're going to start out with what they call clips, and that's opening and closing the stick. And we're going to do 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold open, and we're going to go 10 tricep extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're going to hold open for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to rest for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up, and 8 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 8 tricep extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 8 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you guessed it. 6 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 extensions. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to hold for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we're going to rest for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's predictable. We're going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4 seconds. 1, 2. Hold for 4 seconds. 3, 4. Rest for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2, 1, 2. 2 extensions. 1, 2. Hold for 2 seconds. 1, 2. And now we're going to rest for 30 seconds. Okay, now that we've rested for 30 seconds, we're going to go do the same thing, except we're going to go from 1 up to 9. So here we go. 1 clip. 1 extension. 1. Hold for a second. 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold for 3. 1, 2, 3. Rest for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 extensions. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 5 seconds, or hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 extensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold for 7. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here's the long one. Now 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold for 9. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Are you looking for a good pre-workout, or maybe you just need energy for housework, shopping, or yard work? Try SABA Ace. Clinically tested with Chromin X3 Plus. For clean energy, focus, and fat burning, get yours today. Link in the description. Okay, next exercise we're going to do is one hand or one arm tricep push downs. We're going to start with your left arm, and what I want you to do is put your palms facing away from each other inside the ripstick. Anchor your right elbow against your side, and then we're going to push down. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and press. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're going to rest for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to press for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and hold for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Press for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2. 2 presses. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2, and rest. And so you'd rest for 30 seconds. And for the sake of time, we're not going to do it, but you would go after 30 seconds from 1 up to 9 by 2s. And now let's switch to the right hand. Okay, here we go with the right arm, right hand. Palms facing away from each other, back of your hands touching. Anchor your left elbow against your side. And here we go. Right arm with 10 push downs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold for 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold for 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Press for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 6. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 presses. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 2. 1, 2. 2 presses. 1, 2. Hold for 2. 1, 2. Then you would rest 30 seconds and then repeat the whole sequence from 1 up to 9 by 2s. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this thumbnail right here, and it'll take you to a video to show you how to make your own ripstick for 10 bucks. That's it. That's all. See you next time.